Kain jeans bekas ternyata bisa jadi gelang. Nah, begini sob hasilnya. Unik dan keren. Membuat gelang dari bahan kain jeans bekas. Kain jeans bekas. Ukur dan potong.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry
Gulung
that I'm
satu persatu.
okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Siram lem super.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Ratakan dan haluskan. Potong menjadi 3 bagian. Ratakan. Bor bagian tengah. Cat bening. Setelah cat kering, benang sol sepatu, perangkaian,
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do,
Selesai.
the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's
Terima
gonna be a
kasih telah
good day.
menonton video
Wake
ini.
up,
Semoga
today's gonna
bisa
be a
menginspirasi,
good day.
membantu,
Easy, yo.
dan
I think
bermanfaat.
there's a reason,
See you
though.
next video.
Ups and downs.